Hey everybody, this is Chris Sussman, otherwise known as the BBQ Buddha, and you are now viewing my very first YouTube video that I have shot for YouTube. I know all the videos you're seeing on my channel right now are these little 1-minute videos that I have curated for my Instagram feed, but now you're gonna get unedited, unadulterated, unfunny, actually at this point, BBQ Buddha, the BBQ Buddha all the time. You're gonna see how I cut, how I slice, how I dice, and most importantly, how I operate the grills in and around my home. You might even get a little behind the scenes with the dogs and in here in the kitchen. Ladies and gentlemen, and here is one of my dogs. No, we are not gonna be preparing him for eating later. That is up to the Snake River Farms deliciousness that we're gonna be having tonight. But yes, you get to see French Bulldogs on my YouTube channel. Isn't that nice? That's sweet. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is my Hello World video. If you ever see any of this on YouTube, it means my cousin John did an outstanding job teaching me how to fish for the rest of my life. Thank you and have a great day.